Okay, so today I'm going to be filming a Thanksgiving look. Straightened my hair, did my hair. I was going to curl it, but I decided not to because I had to straighten it to curl it anyway, and it was going to take more time. Let's get into it. So first, I don't have a headband. I'm just going to take my hair out of my face. Okay, so the other day, I got all my ColourPop stuff in, and then I did the video, and I realized that I wanted to do a Thanksgiving look. So, I already have the stuff, and I've already done the video, but I'm going to be using some of the other stuff. That way I can test them out in this video a little bit better. It'll just be coming before the other one, which I know that's backwards, but it'll be okay. So I have the ColourPop No Filter Foundation in Light 50W. I didn't prime. Taking my Professional Pearl. This looks kind of crazy. Take some more. I'm gonna go in with a brush. This is a Morphe brush. Now I'm going to go in with the No Filter Concealer in Fair 08. I'm going to take my Peach Perfect powder now. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Morphe 35R. Go in with a fluffy brush. This color. Now I'm going to go in with this color. I think I'm going to, I bought some single shadows from ColourPop, and I think I'm going to go in with Chauffeur. I'm going to put some concealer on the lid and then go in with Chauffeur. Everything's falling apart. Alright, now with that same kind of flat brush, I'm going to take Chauffeur. I don't know what this is going to look like, but now I feel like this looks a little weird. I'm going to take this color right here, and it looks like it has some shimmer in it. I'm going to take it on the edge, kind of blend it out. I might go into one of these. Let's see. I like this one. I think it was this one. Yeah. I think I want to darken the outer corner. a little bit. So I'm going to take my Morphe M433, go into a chocolate brown. Let's go into this one. Kind of pat it on there. Okay, now I'm going to take that first shade that we went into right here. Just gonna blow it out. I'm gonna take M433, that same one. I'm gonna take this teeny tiny brush and go into this shade right up here. Now I want to take that ColourPop shadow again and just go over it a little bit. Now before I do anything else, I'm gonna do blush and bronzer. And this is California Dreamin', I think. Yeah. California Dreamin' and Why Hello. I'm gonna go into my little Morphe palette that I have. And I'm gonna take my Ofra highlight. I think it's Rodeo Drive. Rodeo Drive by Ofra. Gonna put my liner, lashes on, and then I'll be right back. So I added my Essence Rock and Roll mascara. These Baddington lashes. I guess they don't. Oh, it says Monroe 3D Silk Lashes on the back. And this is what the inside looks like. I mean, I have them on, so. Then I used the Duo Glue. And I took my Gigi Hadid Maybelline gel eyeliner. My liquid eyeliner is the Makeup Revolution one. I forgot I had that on. Sorry. I have not done my eyebrows yet. I need to do that. This is my Winky Lux pencil. I'm gonna set them with my e.l.f. It's literally $1 at Walmart. My hair's getting frizzy. I really like these lashes. I think I might do this. It is ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Goldie. It's a matte. I'm not very good with dark lips, but I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray. So my hair is definitely frizzed up, but this is the final look. I really love it. I'll probably curl my hair on Thanksgiving because it's just, I guess, easier. I don't know. Hopefully I gave y'all some inspiration for your Thanksgiving look this year. I think me and Chandler are gonna go to have a good time, eat, spend some time with the family. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and hope y'all like this eye look. I really do love it. And this lip looks really good with it. So I really want to cut my hair, y'all. It's probably not gonna happen though. Anyway, I hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving, and I'll be back on Friday with a different video. Bye.